Hi, I am Mr. Madrilejos, your high school math teacher. I am willing to help you with your math problem. Shoot me an email. Just don't forget to like and subscribe my videos.
Okay. Multiplication of fraction. This is the easiest fraction. It's just multiplying numerator, multiplied by numerator, denominator times denominator. I have 3 examples here, easy, medium, and also easy. Okay, let's start with the first question. 3/4 multiplied by 2/5. I can simply rewrite that as 3 times 2. That makes 6. The denominator is 4 times 5 makes 20. Let's simplify. Both of them are divisible by 2, so I divide this by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 20 divided by 2 is 10. That will be my final answer. Okay. Next question. What if we have a whole number multiplied by a fraction? Okay. I mentioned this in my previous post that 4 can be written as fraction 4/1. It's imaginary, but the fraction of 4 is 4/1. Same thing we're gonna do. Straight multiply. Numerator multiplied by numerator, which is 3, and denominator multiplied by denominator. 4 times 3 makes 12. 1 times 8 is 8. Let's simplify. Both of them are divisible by 4. 2 also can do, but let's do it. The least is to make it the number least. Simplified. This is divisible by 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 8 divided by 4, it's 2. That's a simplify. But this is improper fraction. Let's make it proper fraction or mixed number. How many 2's under 3 or 3 divided by 2? I have 1. So the remainder is 1. That's going to be my answer. The next question here is a whole number multiplied by a mixed form. Okay. Looks like hard, but it's not really. So let's do the basic. I multiply 5 times 2. That makes 10. Plus 1. That makes this number here is 11/5. Again, it's 5 times 2 is 10. Plus 1 is 11/5. So the new fraction for 2 and 1/5 is 11/5. Let me rewrite this here. Okay. Now, don't get lost again. 9. The fraction of 9 is 9/1. So we can start multiplying. 9 times 11, that's my numerators. 1 times 5, that's my denominators. 9 times 11 is 99. 1 times 5 is 5. Oh, that's a big number. 99/5. that's what we're going to do today is we're going to simplify. Let's start dividing. How many 5s in 99? We all know that 5 times 10 is 50. So if it's 5 times 20, it's 100. So we know that there are 19 5s in 99, okay, which is 95. So we count from 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. So our remainder is 4/5. So our remainder is 4. Final answer is 19 and 4/5. Thank you.